All right, Steve.
My
Talk
turn,
about the
my turn.
markets.
All right. Making some money, Steve.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's harder
Those
this week. That's
markets,
for
Looks like
sure.
people are
markets.
losing money this week, huh?
Yeah, if you're smart enough to have bought
Take one of
protection,
those.
it'd be amazing. But most people aren't in that mindset to hedge yourself, you know. So
A lot of people took a hit.
today, but that's nothing though. Like, if you know the market, you see it. It's still at high valuations. They're still talking about like this is same valuations as like the .com bubble. You know, price to earnings ratios of these companies are. Walmart just took a nice beating. You know,
Finally.
I mean, like they're talking like it's not recession proof. Their customers, you know, and like anyways, they're guiding forward, saying we're gonna have issues, with these tariffs, with everybody all over the place with
Everyone's going to have issues. And when it comes to buying product, right now, no one's buying anything.
no one's buying anything.
Yeah, well, that's ties into
Exactly, that's what
it is.
Walmart is telling everybody, and and like their stock has been pretty like stable in the past. There's very little hiccups, and this week it was like 8% down. Boom, like, hey, it's just a sign of the times. You have to be aware that there's gonna be problems ahead of us.
People are trying to shop Canadian more. Like I'm seeing commercials now.
Mm-hmm.
Like was it that pizza Canadian pizza
Pizza?
pizza?
Mm-hmm.
Use the code reverse tariffs.
Oh,
That's
that's right.
smart marketing.
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah, it was great marketing,
It's
actually.
all over the TV. Reverse tariffs to get discount on.
That's smart.
And buy Canadian. Like everybody's taking advantage of this. Crazy, but it's expensive to buy Canadian products. It's more expensive, but that's why people hesitate to buy.
Absolutely.
It's much more expensive.
Well, yeah, it's
Not supposed to be the case, but it is.
Well, anyways, this year is going to be a volatile year. As you can see, like this guy, whenever Trump talks, it's like everybody, the market is just, like waiting for like reactions and stuff, and it's whenever he talks, man, something happens.
Goes up.
Down, up. It doesn't.
Down.
You don't
Depends
know.
what he says.
Exactly. Okay. No, we're implementing more tariffs, and then the market goes down, and then the next week, the next day, they were canceling the tariffs. It's like, and then market goes up. It's berserk. So, Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde type of.
That was a crazy too.
Hey, everybody! Thanks for sticking around. If you're loving this content, hit the like button and subscribe and join to our awesome community. Ring that notification bell so you'll never miss a beat. Together, we're building something so special. Let's grow this channel and let's have some fun along the way. For some more content, check out these other fantastic channels. You got Checkin Habs, one-stop shop for all those things. Habs, sports, we got so much information on sports, guys. Come on. Hello. And Checkin Reports. Stay informed of the latest political news and current events. Hello. So that's it, fam. Come and check us out.
Well, what's happening? Aren't they 30 days, whatever, and they're going to
But he still imposed an aluminum tax or a tariffs on Canada. So
He's not an idiot, Steve. Huh? He could be easily trying to manipulate markets by what he's doing. As much as he's trying to divert the attention from what he's doing, he's also trying to manipulate the market as well. He's not an idiot. He's got a
100%.
bunch of smart people behind him.
I think he's an idiot. I don't think he's
an idiot, but he
thinking.
knows what he's doing.
I don't think he knows what he's doing.
Not him. His team.
I agree with you, Toy. I think he knows exactly what he's doing. He's a fucking...
Not him. I'm talking about his team.
He doesn't know what he's doing, man. I don't know why you guys think he's like a genius negotiator.
he's not a genius. No, he's a bully. Okay.
Exactly.
He's
That's what he is.
But that's what he is. But he's a New Yorker. He's a guy from New York. You have to know the context who this person is. He's a tycoon for real estate. That's what he is. And he's using his same tactics, not as a diplomatic way, as a bully towards countries now. It's not a diplomatic way of doing things, But he doesn't give a shit. That's the thing. He really doesn't care about what he looks like or what he sounds like.
Yeah, how do you put tariffs on Canada and you put the exact same tariffs that you're putting on us, and you you put on China and other countries that you have no relationship with. It's ridiculous. It doesn't make sense.
There's no relationship.
Like he's got a working
China
relationship.
there's a huge relationship with China.
Yeah, but
trade wise.
But apart from that, he got Canada and Mexico, where their North America trade agreement. They have a free trade agreement versus China, and they're also rivals in other things in technology and everything else. And you go put the same type of tariffs you would put on them and on other nations, and you go put the same thing on Canada and Mexico. He's losing his mind.
I was gonna say, I think it's a strategy to like. It's almost like a feeler, right? Like you have his team behind him. It's like, let's put it out there.
Mhm.
Let's see what happens.
No, but people in his party think it's stupid. They think it's a bad idea, man. People are telling him it's a bad idea. He has it in his head because he read President McKinley did it. It was like the richest time of United States, but
It wasn't though. Apparently, like he ended up all that tariff stuff backfired.
Yeah, he
apparently.
backfired.
And he had to
reverted.
revert.
I
yeah.
still think
It always does.
it's a scare tactic in order to divert attention from what he's doing, where he's trying to reduce the government spending, eliminate government positions, reduce bureaucracy. Exactly. So he can do what he needs to do on his end, in the back end, and divert attention to the stupidity, which he's never going to do. When he announced, okay, we're going to do the tariffs, I always said it was never going to happen. Then all of a sudden, shit, it's going to come. I go, watch. The last minute, he's going to cancel. Then on the weekend, he said, okay, we're going to talk on Monday, and then we're going to see. Monday comes, and then he extended it 30 days. Watch. Same thing's going to continue to happen. They're never going to be implemented. I have a
You're calling bullshit.
I'm calling bullshit. I've been calling bullshit since December. I've been calling bullshit, and every point where it's gonna come in, it's been backtracked twice now. It's been backtracked.
All this like insanity on tariffs is creating a lot of
Uncertainty,
yeah,
and it's affecting our economy.
of course.